sorry for the parents and what they're going through, especially Cindy, seeing her on the stand the first time. Thanks. Lindsay Lohan and her attorney are inside an LA courthouse right now after she failed a court-ordered alcohol test under house arrest. But if you believe what she told Life and Style magazine, Lindsay Lohan should have easily passed that test. Life and Style's Jordy Lippy snagged an in-home interview with Lindsay Lohan. There's the cover, Life and Style. She joins us now from New York. Jordy, were you surprised when you heard that she failed an alcohol test, allegedly, and now she's back in court? What'd you see inside of her house?
We were very surprised to hear this. We sat down with her just 5 days after this alleged incident, and she was so confident that she kept saying over and over again, I'm sober, my friends don't drink around me, and there's absolutely no alcohol in the house.
Did you believe her when she was telling you that?
She seemed extremely confident. It was a very low-key, mellow setting, so there was no reason not to believe her, but we did ask her, does this mean we will never see you in a nightclub-type situation again? And her only response was, never say never.
Wow, that's pretty telling. Jordy, I've seen images of Lindsay under house arrest, I think on the outside of her balcony outside. Even read reports that she's doing work there, shooting commercials while she's under house arrest. Did you see any of that, any signs of that? Who was in the house when you were there?
While we were there, all we saw was Lindsay, her assistant, and her sister. It was very quiet and very low-key, but she was on the phone trying to make plans for maybe some friends to come over later that evening.
Did she talk to you at all about what she's been through, the alleged death case, or maybe her plans for her recovery and fighting this?
Right. She didn't mention anything specifically about the court case, but what she did tell us was that the house arrest was actually a blessing in disguise because she was really able to focus on work, get down and read some scripts, and just really focusing on being that good role model that she said she really wants to be.
Michael Lowen's not shy about speaking out about his daughter, Lindsay. Did she talk at all about her father?
She wouldn't really speak about him that much. What she did say is that their relationship is a work in progress.
And we all want to know this, Jordy, because I know a lot of people wanted to sit down and talk to Lindsay. How'd you get in her house? How'd you get the interview?
Well, you know, we just, she wanted to get that story out there. I think she really wants to get work again. She said she wants to be on the movie set. So she just wanted to open up and tell us all about what it's been like on house arrest and what her hopes are for the future.
Good job. We hope that her future is bright. We shall see. She's in court right now. Jordy Lippy, great job. Life and Style magazine. Thank you.
Thank you.
To Rochelle now.
Rochelle. Thank you.